So have I told you guys about this yet?
Yeah.
No.
I have not?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a mini bookcase, okay? It's the first woodworking project I've ever made. I made it when I was 10 years old.
Dang.
So how old is it?
1
Then
year
it's
old.
49 years old. Oh, what's that? 50 would have been right. Have you guys ever heard of 4-H?
Yeah. Wood.
Have you heard of 4-H? It's like a rural thing. I grew up in northern Maine. It's a rural organization that does a whole bunch of different things. But one of the things they did was have competitions with arts and crafts, and they had sewing, and they had crochet, and one of them was woodworking. So I entered the woodworking. And I decided I was going to make a bookcase. Now, this bookcase looks really old and beat up, right?
Mm-hmm.
But the problem was I got halfway through making it, and I really didn't feel like sanding it. Because this was 49 years ago, we did not have power sanders like we had now. I was going to have to hand sand it. So instead I beat the crap out of it, made it all messed up, and then you had to do two things. You had to make a woodworking thing, but then you had to make a poster to display it. So on the poster I called it an antique bookcase.
Wow.
Yeah. So my dad was absolutely furious with me because I didn't finish it, and he's like, "This is not good. I am not amused." But anyway, I won the whole thing. I was considered the best thing. So that was when I realized that, you know, average woodworking with good marketing could win you a 4-H award.